morning, students. Welcome to Sri GM Donda e-learning class. I am your English teacher Priyanka Srivastav, and today we are going to study poem number 8, What If, by poet Sal Silverstone. Students, before going to the poem, let's see the summary of this poem. This poem is written in a child's voice and a point of view. The narrators worry about whether his teeth will grow straight, whether green hairs might grow on his chest. The narrator's wild imaginations shows that he is still a child and his way of thinking is very limited. Personification is used to show the what ifs of the narrator as a small creatures that plants wild ideas into his head, used to show the what ifs narrators as small creatures that plants wild ideas into his head while he was asleep. Due to this, he starts thinking and worrying about what might happen to him. Hence, he dislikes his imaginations. This is showed in the last line of the poem, where the narrators says that the night time what is strikes again. So let's go to your poem and see in detail about the poem. Last night, while I lay thinking here some what ifs crawled inside my ear and pranced and parted all night long and sang their same old what if song. What if I am dumb in school? What if they have closed the swimming pool? So students, in the first stanza, here the poet narrates that last night while I lay thinking, when poet was sleeping, he was thinking some imaginary questions came into mind. They kept on haunting me all night long and kept on repeating the same old what ifs. What if he will dumb at school? What if the swimming pool is closed? Now the next stanza is about what if I beat up? What if there is poison in my cup? What if I start to cry? What if I get sick and die? What if I flunk that test? So here in the second stanza, the poet says that what if he is broken down? What if there is poison in his cup? What might happen if he start to cry? What will happen if he will fall sick and die? What will happen if he fail that test? This type of questions comes in his mind while he was sleeping. Now the third stanza, what if green hair grows on my chest? What if nobody likes me? What if a bolt of lightning strikes me? What if I don't grow taller? What if my head starts getting smaller? What if the fish won't bite? So, in the third stanza, the poet says that what if the green hairs on his chest, what might happen if nobody likes him? What if he is struck by lightning? What will happen? What might happen in his growth stops? What will happen in his head if his head becomes smaller? What will he do? What will he do if he will fail to catch the fish? So these types of questions comes in his mind. Now the last stanza, what if the wind tears up my kite? What if they start a war? What if my parents get divorced? What if the bus is late? What if my teeth don't grow in straight? What if I tear my pants? What if I never learn to dance? Everything seems well, and then the night time, what if strikes again? So, in the last stanza, the poet says that what will happen if a gust of wind tears his kite? What will happen if they start a war? May his parents get divorced? What shall he do then? What will he do if the bus is late? Maybe his teeth. If what will he do if his teeth don't go straight? What will he be do if consequence of it? What might happen if he get his pants torn up? What will happen if he is unable to learn dancing? At the moment, everything seems first rate. However, these what if questions keep on troubling him again and again. So, students, this is about all about your poem. These types of questions comes while poet was sleeping, and these types of negative thinking was coming in his mind while he was sleeping. So here, that is why what if is given, that what will happen if he will not do this and that. So this is the all about your poem. So let's see the hard words of this poem. Number 1, crowd. Number 2, pranced. Number 3, parted. Number 4, dumb. Number 5, swimming. Number 6, poison. Number 7, flunk. Number 8, lightning. Number 9, strikes. Number 10, bite. Number 11, tears. Number 12, divorced. Number 13, pants. Number 14, swell. So students, by this I conclude this poem. Thank you. Have a nice day.